Hi, Review Mom here. I'm reviewing this Maxin quiet type key technology gaming keyboard. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the box so you can see it. Um, we already tested it out. My husband tested it out on his gaming computer, but this is very high quality. Like, it's very unique as well. And as you can see, you can't see the buttons right now, but they light up. Like the letters and everything light up so that you can see them when it's plugged in. And you just plug it in by USB into any computer that takes USB, which is any nowadays. Okay. The buttons are very soft on the fingers, and this is very easy to set up and to use. It's great for gaming. It has all the features that you may need. I highly recommend this.